Hello, dear students. All of you must be enjoying sleeping. Do you know? After sleep, all of you feel fresh, energetic, and happy. Do you know the reason behind it? Do you know what is this wonder which is done by our sleep only? So, this lesson is telling us the importance of sleep. Let's start 7th chapter of your book A Pat with the Sun, and the title of the chapter is The Wonder Called Sleep. Our body and brain recover from fatigue after a good sleep. We dream while sleeping, but we do not always remember our dreams. During sleep, our heartbeat becomes slower and our temperature and blood pressure go down. These all are the main points this lesson is going to deal about. We know enough about what sleep is, though we don't know what exactly causes sleep. Dear children, we all are aware with sleep, but mostly we don't know what is the purpose behind sleeping. What are the causes behind sleep? Sleep is a state of rest, an unconscious rest. This is the definition of sleep given here. It is a state, it is a position of rest, even unconscious rest. That time, even we also don't know that all our body organs, body parts are resting. When we sleep, our body recovers from fatigue, tiredness caused by the day's activities. While we are sleeping, our body is taking rest. Since morning for day, all the activities, it gives exertion to our body, but it is relaxing while we are sleeping. After a good sleep and the rest that it gives, we become alert and active again. When we get complete rest, then we get more energy to work. We are ready for the normal activities of the day. After a complete night's sleep, we get energy, our body get freshness to complete all the activities of the day. When we wake up in the morning, it is not always possible for us to remember what happened when we were asleep. See, every night when at morning when we wake up from our sleep, it is not very easy that we are getting the things what we had seen during sleep. We may remember a dream, but the rest of our sleep was a kind of darkness in which nothing seems to have taken place. Though at times we remember some of our dreams, otherwise, rest of the other things, whatever happens to us, whatever happens with our body, it remains absolutely a mystery throughout the entire sleep. Several things happen to our body while we are sleeping. As we sink deeper into sleep, our muscles relax more and more. It's not that while we are sleeping, every body organs stop functioning, but when we are sleeping and the deeper we are getting into sleep, our muscles relax more and more. Our heartbeats become slower. Remember, slower. They never stop till yet we are alive. Heartbeat becomes slower. Our temperature and blood pressure also go down. The ever active brain also slows down so that we can think or act consciously. See, our mind, our brain is ever active. It never stops functioning. But when we are sleeping, our brain slow downs, and it is we can't think consciously. Whenever we are conscious, our brain is always active. Even when we are sleeping, that time also it is active, but it works slowly and gets some relaxation. But we dream. When we wake up, our temperature and blood pressure rise to normal. Our heartbeat and breathing also becomes normal, and we are fully awake and have forgotten most, if not all, the dreams that we had while sleeping. So, dear children, sleep sleep is helping us a lot. When we are awakened, that time we feel relaxed, and this relaxation is the result of entire night complete sleep. That is why the wonder called sleep, meaning sleep is wonderful. Sleep is extremely precious for us. Otherwise, we won't feel energetic, we won't feel fresh to do our regular routine every day. Day to day work are very tiring for us, and sleep is helping us to achieve this target, to complete all our work, because while we are sleeping our body get essential and required rest. I hope everybody have followed it. Thank you everyone.